Uh, Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I have considered a portion of integral where we will get another 3 different formulas. Already we have got 6 different formulas in the previous lectures. We have discussed about it. Now here it is, that means what about these formulas? The first one is integration dx divided by x square minus a square, which is equal to 1 by twice a log of x minus a divided by x plus a. The next one, integration dx divided by a square minus x square. Here also the formula is 1 by twice a log of a plus x divided by a minus x. Just like this, we have got all those formulas. Okay, so there are exactly 9 different formulas. Out of 9 different formulas, we have got 6 different formulas, 6 of them. Now I am going to introduce other 4 different formulas, 3 different formulas. Okay, remember what is the specific criteria, what is the specific condition to be satisfied. Actually, the formulas are like that. I have done a mistake somewhere, so it will be dx by this one. Okay, so dx by this one. This is the integration formula. That is one. The formulas are like that. So what is the difference between these two formulas? Here, in all those cases, this is what is similarities there in that. What is the similarity? In all those cases, if the numerator contains the constant quantity 1 and the denominator contains any quadratic expression. Remember, if the denominator contains quadratic expression, then we can easily think about the application of all those formulas. আমি এই ফর্মুলাবিলাক এপ্লাই কৰাৰ কথা ভাবিব পাৰো. If square root is there, then we can think about these 3 formulas 4, 5, 6, and if square root is not there, then we can easily apply all those formulas. What is the main condition to be satisfied? The denominator contains quadratic expression. That means the highest degree of x should be equal to 2. যদি quadratic expression থাকে তাহলে এই ফর্মুলাটা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন কথা বলবো. In the previous video already I have explained all those questions. Okay, now I am going to add the another 3 different formulas. The formulas are like that. Formula number 6 or 7. The formula is this one. Integration x square plus a square dx. Formula number 8. X square minus a square. If you observe carefully, all the terms are same. X square plus a square, x square minus a square. This one is square root of a square minus x square dx. We can easily memorize all those formulas, but in exam you may get these formulas as a question also. তোমালোকে এই question হিচাপেও এইবিলাকক পাব পাৰা. So as we have gone through the integration by parts formula, so using integration by parts we can easily prove it. আমি এইবিলাকক prove কৰিব পাৰো integration by parts formula apply কৰি পিনি. Correct? So I think you have come to know that that means in integration by parts, applying integration of parts, তোমালোকে এইবিলাকক prove কৰিব পাৰিবা. এইটো তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে first function হ'ব, and the one will be considered the second function. Zero. So what is the formula value for this one integration? All those cases, ekdam similarities, all those cases x by 2 will be there. Here also in these cases, if any quadratic expression will be there under the square root. Square root ভিতৰত যদি quadratic expression থাকে, যদি তার 1 by quadratic expression, 1 by quadratic বা constant by quadratic expression থাকে, তাহলে এটা ফর্মুলা. Jadi directly if any quadratic expression is there under the square root, just like this one, so x square plus 4x plus 3. To have the integration of this question, a question to integration করিবৰ কাৰণে কিন্তু আমি এটা ফর্মুলা এপ্লাই কৰিম. So what are the steps to find out the integration of all those questions? I will mention. First, go to the formulas. X by 2, x by 2, x by 2. Now write down what is there. Z2 আছে হেতুকে লিখিবা. X square plus a square. Correct? Here is what is there. X square minus a square. What is there? A square minus x square. Is it clear? Then what is the sign before the constant quantity a? A নামৰ constant quantity আগত কি sign আছে? Z2 sign আছে হেতু sign লিখিবা. Plus is there. If this one is a, minus sign is here. This one is a, what is there before a? Plus sign is here. So this one. Next, in all those cases, the term will be a square by 2. A square by 2, it will be a square by 2. Is it clear? Now, what is the next term? So, I think you can easily find out all those terms here in these formulas 4, 5 and 6. I mean 4, 5, 6 was the formula kita decide by so. But they are in the denominator. But remember, in the value of their integration, we have to apply that on formulas also. That means integration of a square of a square minus x square is equal to this one plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. Similarly, square root of x square minus a square, obviously this one formula. So what is this integration value? We have to write down here log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c, and here log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. I hope you are getting my point. Very simple formulas. X by 2 will be there in all those three cases. Whatever is there as a function, you have to write it down. Plus minus is totally depend upon the coefficient of the constant quantity. Then a square by 2 in all those cases. Then you can easily recall the formulas of 4, 5, 6. Square root of ddx of so integration of dx divided by square root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by, here you have to write down integration dx divided by x square plus a square log of x plus this one. Integration of dx divided by this one log of x plus square root of x square plus a square like that. You have to apply all those formulas. So now I'm going to explain one question for you people. Suppose you have to find out the answer of all those questions. I equal to integration of suppose 2x square plus 5x plus 4. Remember, what are the steps to find out the answer of all those questions? So let us consider a complicated one so that you will get the answer. Okay, I mean a question I part my korilo. Eta question consider koro. Okay, it will be easier for us to find out the answer of the question. Okay, so simple, but we can easily consider all those. Suppose 1 minus twice x minus 3x square plus twice x minus 3x square. First of all, we have come to know that a quadratic expression is there under a square root. So what is the integration procedure to find out the value of this one? So first of all, we will try to rearrange the terms which lies under a square root. So first of all, minus 3x square plus twice x plus 1. Are you getting my point? So this is the expression. Next one, what you will do, remember whenever you have to find out the answer any or integration of any question where quadratic expression will be there in the denominator, maybe quadratic expression will be there under a square root in the denominator, then all those cases, first of all you have to arrange them, then you have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. Already I have told in the previous video. I already কৈছো যে x square coefficient to সদায় 1 বনাই লবা তোমালোকৰ কৰিবলৈ সুবিধা হ'ব। সো আমি কি করি মাইনাস x square coefficient কিমান আছে -3, সো আমি -3 কমন আনিম। সো কিমান থাকিলে x square minus 2 by 3 into x minus 1 by 3. Is it clear? So I hope you are getting my point. -3 common আনাৰ পিছত x square minus 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3. এতিয়া চোৱা, if this one is 4 suppose, then what is the square root of 4? 2. So you can easily take out 2 from the square root. তোমালোকে square root of 4 to লৈ আহিব পাৰিবা। But here what is there? 3. So what we will do in the next step? আমি কি কৰিম চোৱা, just listen. আমি কি কৰিম in the next step? First মই এটা লিখি দিছো। In the next step we will try to write down square root of 3 as a constant quantity, so it will be outside the integration. So minus, it will be x square minus 2 by 3 into x minus 1 by 3 dx. Is it clear? So we have got this one expression. You cannot take out minus from the square root. Square root will be minus 21. So then what you will do in the next step? The next step is that you have to make it as a completing square. তোমালোকে কমপ্লিটিং স্কয়ার মেথড এপ্লাই কৰি কমপ্লিটিং স্কয়ার ফৰ্মুলা লৈ যোৱা তাৰমানে তোমালোকে এইটো আইদাৰ a plus b whole square নহল বা a minus b whole square লৈ যাব পাৰিবা so obviously the term which contains square will be a square and the term which contains x it will be twice ab সদায় x লগা টাৰ্মটো twice ab ৰ কি সাইন আছে মাইনাস then obviously it will be a minus b ফৰ্মুলা লৈ যাব twice ab এর মাইনাস থাকিলে a minus b ফৰ্মুলা a minus b whole square আৰু twice ab এর যদি প্লাস থাকে a plus b whole square ফৰ্মুলা লৈ যায় তেতিয়া হলে আমি তাক ৰিএৰেঞ্জ কৰি লিখিব ট্ৰাই কৰিছো so so it will be minus root 3 square root of root 3. So completing square means a square minus twice a square minus twice a. What is the value of a? X here. So এইটো লগত কি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে which term should be multiplied with this one so that you will get 2/3 into x কি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে তোমালোকে 2/3 into x পাবা obviously 1/3 মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে কেলে 2 into 1 2/3x obviously you have got twice a b plus 1/3 whole square so completing square হেকানে কোৱা হৈছে because to after adding this one it is a completing square form either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square ইয়াত আমি a minus b whole square গুছি গল but what is there initially in the equation minus 1/3 is already there in the equation but this term was not there eto originally question to nasil 1/3 whole square balke so 1/3 whole square in bracket it ase niki 1/3 whole square nai that's why minus 1/3 whole square likhi dia that minus 1/3 whole square plus 1/3 whole square cancel jay dx ভালকে মন কৰিছে নে মাইনাস টু অলৰেডি বাহিৰতে থৈছো স্কয়াৰৰ ভিতৰত কিন্তু এটা ডাঙৰ ব্ৰেকেটৰ বাহিৰত থৈছো this expression is exactly equal to this expression একে ইকুয়াল হয় মই জাস্ট অকল অ্যারেঞ্জ কৰিছো ঠিক আছে now what is the next thing square root of 3 under square root correct minus so what is the value of this one expression a expression value কিমান a minus b whole square is it clear তোমালোকে গমে পাইছা কি জান then after having the simplification 1/3 minus 1/9 ঠিক আছে কিমান পাবা 9 minus 3 minus 1 so minus 4/9 am I correct minus 4/9 minus 4/9 we are getting this one কোপাপালো গম পাইছা কি জান so এইটা আমি সিম্পলিফাই কৰিছো 1/3 minus 1/9 so obviously minus 4/9 ঠিক আছে so what is the next step initially so many different formulas are there remember both the terms should be there in square form তেতিয়া তোমালোকে formula apply কৰিব পাৰিবা তেতিয়া আমি square form থাকিব লাগিব so x minus 1/3 whole square আৰু 4/9 মানে 2/3 whole square এটো কনস্ট্যান্ট কোয়ান্টিটি হলে a বুলি ভাবিব লাগে আৰু x লগা টার্মটো আমি x বুলি ভাবিব so this one x square minus a square লিখা লগা নাই bracket is here x square minus a square is equal to think about this one formula but remember what is there here minus so multiply কৰি দিয়া 4/9 minus x minus 1/3 whole square dx or you can write down root 3 2/3 whole square minus x minus 1/3 whole square এটা কথাটা কবলগি আছে so listen please the derivative of x minus নেলাগে এটো a square minus x square লিখা হৈছে but in place of x what is there x minus 1/3 লিখা আছে x এর জায়গায় এটো ফর্মুলা সব a square minus x square ফর্মুলা আহি আছে that is we can easily apply what is the value of a here 2/3 what is the value of x x minus 1/3 আছে as the derivative of x minus 1/3 and x are same এটো টার্মৰ ডেরিভেটিভ আৰু এটো টার্মৰ ডেরিভেটিভ এটা ইকুয়াল হোৱাৰ কাৰণে derivatives are equal this expression can be considered as x এই এক্সপ্রেশন তোমালোকে x বুলি ভাবি লব পাৰা ইয়াত তাৰ মানে আমি a square minus x square বুলি ডাইৰেক্টলি কনসিডাৰ কৰিব পাৰো so considering the integration value to consider কৰিলে তোমালোকে exactly answer পাই যাবা so what is its integration value root 3 okay square root of a square minus x square what is the formula first of all x by 2 means x minus 1/3/2 because x is equal to x minus 1/3 am I correct x by 2 square root of a square minus x square that means 2/3 whole square minus x minus whole square correct plus a square by 2 what is the value of a here 2/3 so a square is written there that a square লিখা আছে মানে 2/3 whole square by 2 2/3 whole square by 2 am I correct a square by 2 sin inverse x by a means x minus 1/3 by a means n is equal to 2/3 plus c all of that তোমালোকে simplify কৰিব পাৰা just like you can simplify this term এটা আমি simplify কৰিব পাৰা আৰু মই ব্ৰেকেটটো ক্লোজ কৰিছো because root 3 is multiplied with the whole expression ইয়াৰ গোটেই ইন্টিগ্ৰেশন ভ্যালু এটা root 3 মাল্টিপ্লাই হ'ব এখানে root 3 লগত গোটেই ইন্টিগ্ৰেশন ভ্যালুটো মই মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিছো ব্ৰেকেটটো প্ৰপাৰলি ইউজ কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা so এইবিলাক তোমালোকে সিম্পলিফাই কৰিব পাৰা just like as এটো সিম্পলিফাই হ'ব পাৰে এটো সিম্পলিফাই হ'ব পাৰে এটো সিম্পলিফাই হ'ব পাৰে আৰু ইন্টারেস্টিংলি এটো তোমালোকে ব্ৰেক কৰি চাব পাৰা একেটা কথা ইয়াটো তোমালোকে ব্ৰেক কৰি চাব পাৰা এটো থাকিব দিয়া কিন্তু এটো আৰু এটো সিম্পলিফাই কৰি পেলাবা is it clear I hope you are getting my point okay so এনেকে আমি প্ৰথমে কি কৰিলো first of all you have to arrange recall and rewind the video first of all you have to arrange then the x square coefficient to হলে 1 বনাবা that means common লবা then completing square then kumala formula কৰি যাব and formulas are very simple Okay, so আৰু এটা question মই লগাব কৰি দিছো suppose two terms are there then what will you do confusion will be there suppose question এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আছে square root of 1 minus 4x square integration dx same procedure obviously you have got that this one is constant only so 1 square that means a square and this is the term which contains x that's why x square দুটা টার্ম স্কয়ার আছে আর দুটা টার্ম যদি স্কয়ার থাকে আন্ডার স্কয়ার তাহলে এই তিনটা ফর্মুলা ভিতরে কোনটা পড়িব obviously এই ফর্মুলা পড়িছে কেলে কনস্ট্যান্ট প্রথমে আছে আর x স্কয়ার সেকেন্ডত আছে a স্কয়ার মাইনাস x স্কয়ার আছে এটা x স্কয়ার টার্ম নহয় জানো x স্কয়ার হইছে আর এটা কনস্ট্যান্ট পরে a বুলি ভাবিবা কিন্তু সো মই কামনা কৰিম পৰাই যাতে মোৰ গণ্ডগোল নহয় মই ফার্স্ট I will try to arrange this term মই প্ৰথমে arrange কৰিম okay arrange কৰিম what is the next step first of all after arranging these terms we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1 coefficient of x square coefficient 1 বানাবো so -4 কমন ললো কিমান পালা এটা এনেকুৱা থাকিলে অনুমান কৰিব পাৰিছে কি ইয়াবা -4 কমন ললে ইটো x square 0 মাইনাস কমন লৈছে so it will become minus so 1/4 okay so what is the square root of -4 -4 square মানে আমি 4 ৰ স্কয়ার লব পাৰিম what is the square root of 4 2 so এইটো 2 টো বাহিৰে গুচি আহিলে কিমান থাকিলে minus x square minus 1/4 is it clear so now তোমালোকে ভাবিব পাৰিবা যে x square minus a square ফৰ্মুলা লিখা লাগিছে x square minus a square but minus is already there so first of all you have to multiply so it will become positive 1/4 and it will become negative x square so dx now formula is reverse to 1/2 whole square minus x square so which one formula you have to apply constant no a square minus x square so this one formula you have to apply are you getting my point so in this way we will try to find out the answer of all those questions which are there in the exercise 7.7 try to find out the answer of each and every question from this exercise actually no need to find it out these two type of questions are there just recall the steps arrange them make the coefficient of x square as 1 completing square কৰা arrange কৰি formula লিখা আহি যাব but to approach to find the answer of each and every question first go to the formulas formula টা আপুনি কষ্ট কৰিবা তেতিয়া পাৰিবা I hope you are getting my point thank you so much for watching the video thank you